Do you feel chronically exhausted despite getting enough sleep? That crushing fatigue, brain fog, and muscle weakness might not be stress. It's often a silent sabotage of your most critical nutrient, iron. Iron is essential because it's responsible for 80% of oxygen transport and energy production in your entire body. In this video, we're counting down the top 8 undeniable signs your body is screaming for iron. Let's dive straight into the signs. Number 1, persistent fatigue. Iron is the foundation of energy because it's needed to make hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen from your lungs to every cell. When iron is low, your blood delivers less oxygen to tissues, so your cells can't make energy properly. That causes ongoing heavy tiredness and sluggishness that won't be fixed by extra sleep. In a meta-analysis of 6 randomized trials and 6 cross-sectional studies, researchers found that iron supplementation significantly reduced fatigue in people with low iron stores, but no anemia. Number 2, restless leg syndrome. Restless leg syndrome is a strong, uncomfortable urge to move the legs, often accompanied by creeping, crawling, or tingling sensations, particularly when sitting or lying down. Iron plays a critical role in the brain's dopamine pathways, and low iron levels can disrupt these pathways, leading to RLS symptoms, especially at night. In a review of studies, researchers found that low iron in the brain is linked to restless leg syndrome, and that iron treatment, either oral or intravenous, can reduce symptoms. Number 3, headaches and dizziness. Frequent headaches and dizziness are common symptoms of iron deficiency. When the body senses reduced oxygen carrying capacity in the blood, it prioritizes oxygen flow to the most vital organs. However, this struggle can lead to insufficient oxygen reaching the brain, causing swelling of arteries and resulting in headaches, lightheadedness, or feeling faint. In a literature review of clinical and observational studies, researchers found that iron deficiency anemia is more common in people with migraine, and that iron supplementation reduced migraine frequency and intensity in patients with confirmed iron deficiency. By the way, if you are interested in taking a good iron supplement, check out the link in the description. Number 4, hair loss. While many things cause hair loss, iron deficiency is a common culprit. Iron is required for DNA synthesis, which is essential for the rapidly dividing cells of the hair follicle. When iron stores are low, the body shunts the remaining iron away from non-essential functions like hair growth, causing hair follicles to enter a resting phase too early, resulting in shedding. In a clinical review of diagnostic studies and treatment reports, authors concluded that iron deficiency is a plausible and potentially reversible contributor to diffuse hair thinning, and that treating iron deficiency anemia improves outcomes. Number 5, strange cravings. Pica. Pica is a condition characterized by a compulsive craving to eat non-food substances. While its cause is not fully understood, it is frequently associated with iron deficiency. Common cravings include ice, dirt, clay, or starch. The consumption of ice is particularly strong. In a scoping review of 20 articles, researchers found that pica was associated with iron deficiency anemia, and that treating the anemia led to resolution of pica symptoms in the reported cases. Number 6, swollen and sore tongue. Glossitis. Iron deficiency can lead to glossitis, which is inflammation of the tongue, causing it to become swollen, smooth, and sometimes pale or oddly bright red. Iron is necessary for the proper maintenance of the cells that make up the tongue's lining. In a clinical study, iron deficiency was linked to tongue pain, lower pain thresholds, and reduced salivation, and oral iron relieved pain and improved salivation within 2 months. Number 7, cold hands and feet. If you consistently have cold hands and feet, it could be a circulatory issue linked to iron. Iron is crucial for oxygen delivery and heat production. Reduced oxygen flow to the body's extremities, coupled with a potentially weakened circulation due to anemia, means your hands and feet receive less heat and less fuel, making them feel chronically cold. Evidence from an exercise study shows that people with mild iron deficiency anemia have reduced heat production, lower skin temperature, and stronger peripheral vasoconstriction in the cold, which can explain chronically cold hands and feet. Number 8, increased susceptibility to infection. Iron helps your immune system work properly. It's needed for immune cells that find and kill germs. If you don't have enough iron, those cells don't work as well, so you can get sick more easily and take longer to recover from colds or the flu, as shown in research. How to combat iron deficiency. The fastest and most reliable way to combat iron deficiency and address its symptoms is often through iron supplementation, as seen in research. If you are interested in a good iron supplement, we have put a link in the description. As with any supplement, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting iron supplementation. They can perform a blood test to determine the exact nature and severity of your deficiency. The other crucial way is to eat foods rich in highly bioavailable iron, heme iron. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe for more videos about nutrition and supplementation.